Organizing your team could be a lot of work. But don't worry, we have the perfect tool not just to help you manage users, but also group them by department or levels of access to review your content. Let's talk about user group labels. First, we'll create a team member by going to Quick Add and create a team member. Once you give them access to a profile group, you'll see the user role label area. Simply start typing to create a new user group, or you can also click on the drop-down to select one that you already have. By the way, by clicking on the gear icon on the right side, you can manage your user groups. You can add a new group and edit or remove your existing ones. Don't forget to hit save once you're done. When you go to your team member settings, you can filter out your team members by profile group and the user group that they belong to. Now let's assign your user groups to review content by going to Publishing Settings and Approval Workflows. Once you're here, just hover and click on the action menu of a specific workflow, then click Edit. And instead of an individual user, we can now add an entire user group to review your posts. This can be very helpful when you need anyone from a specific department to be part of an approval stage. When you or your team member sends a post for approval, they can simply select that workflow and poof, an entire group of team members is able to approve and reject it. If you run into any issues or have any questions about setting up your user groups, don't forget to reach out to our awesome support team. Want to be more efficient? Watch our next video about task management here. See you again soon!